muthia thutha wa mwiritu uria wetagwo Beth wa Bui uria wakorirwo kinyitwo kia hinya na gikururio ni ngari kuma barabara-ini ya Keno nginyagia kundu kuikaine ta Gabati gukorwo agikua. Family yao aciari undu mwe na andu a mucii magikoretwo magikihoya andu a wendi mwega magikorwo magimutaithiriria nigetha gukorwo makiriha biru iria irakinyite nginyagia ciringi mirioni 1.7 nigetha mwiri wa Beth ugikorwo ugikirekererio kuma moshari nigetha ugokorwo ugigithikwo. Women rep wa county ya Murang'a Betiesa wa kana Betty N Maina akoretwo ari muhari-ini wa mbere gukorwo aking'ang'ana muno makiria nigetha gutigirira ati family ya Beth ni agikorwo igikiona kihoto kia mwana wao ona magigikorwo magigithikana wega. Na muthenya wa ira kiumia mundu gwitwo Betty ni aragikorirwo agikiaraniria na wabici ya His Excellency the President William Ruto agikimahoya magikorwo magimateithiriria nigetha guikorwo magikiriha biru ino. Na giguthomera Ndumiriri ya Betty N Maina aragikorwo akiruta akana gikiandika thiini wa rurenda rwake rwa Facebook ni ati: To His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to make a special prayer for you and your family. Just one call to you, and you have accepted to pay the 1.5 million hospital bill for Beth. 2 months ago, Beth Wamboi Kiri was defiled and dragged on the tarmac from Keno to Kabati in a speeding vehicle and later dumped to die at Kabati. A big percentage of her right side was disfigured, where her right side breast was cut off as well as her left ear. Her stomach and chest has no skin due to the frictional burns from the dragging, which are rated at 40%. Unfortunately, last week, she passed on. Evangelist Lucy Wagojiri official, God bless you abundantly for the kind gesture. Mundu gitobenie kana Betty N Maina agigicokeria ndagitari William Ruto ngatho kuona ni aragikorirwo agigitika bu ino ira aragikorirwo agigitwo ni women rep wa Murang'a ni gukorwo agikiuga ati ni ariha ciringi mirioni 1.5 ira iratigarite thibitari nigetha mwiri wa Beth ugikorwo ugikirekererio na ukiuga ati mieri iri mithiru Beth aikorirwo agigithukangio agikinyi kia hinya na kuria akorirwo agikikururio barabara-ini ya Rami kuma Keno nginya Gabati ni ngari ri yathiaga na speed yari ya iguru muno. No kiumia kihituku Beth ndanahota gukorwo survive indi aragikorwo agigikua. Oho Betty ni aragikorwo agigicokeria mundu wikaine ta Evangelist Lucy Wagojiri ngatho kuona nake akoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kunyitirira family ino. Na riu bill ira yagitigarite wakionekana riu ni rikitie gukorwo igikirika kurihwo na ona riu family no igithie na mbere na kukibanga mathiko maria makoretwo matiriririo kiumia giki muthenya wa rucio tariki 3 no riu ni mawikorwo magigibanga kuona ni maragikoretwo makajite mathiko mao ni undu wa biru iyo. Ona ukiuma uko gwa Gikuyu Flavor Media tugakiuga Beth rohuruka wega ro mama kwega kuraga Ngai rohe family yake thayo ria umanaga na kuriwe nacio ito icio muthenya wacio no igagikinya. Na macio ni mamwe mamara tukiuma na mwiroreri then tuguthi na mbere na kumenyithia mangi maingi maria marathi na mbere na kuhanika na muno makiria kuma guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Nie njitagwa Nyarari ya Murang'a.